Good afternoon from Alleppey. Yes, I know guys, I'm skipping towns, I'm skipping cities. So right now we are in Alleppey, and thank you so much for tuning in to this video. And if it's your first time, please make sure that you press the subscribe button and the notification bell. And once again, welcome to Alleppey. This is another city in Kerala, the famous city of Backwaters. So that's what we are here for. Right now I'm on my way. To get on a public boat, right, around the famous backwaters of Alleppey. So I'm gonna do that, and then later on maybe I go to the beach. And pardon me guys for my voice. I'm so sorry. I'm not feeling okay. If you watched my previous video in Mona, there's a mountain that the last place that we went there, it was too windy and it affected me, so I caught a cold. I have a cold. That's why my voice is like this, and I'm not feeling okay. I'm just trying to make videos for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, and stay tuned. Right now we're just walking towards this road so that we get on a public boat around the backwaters here in Alleppey. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, the boat is now here just behind me. It's just that they are turning it, they are trying to rotate the boat so that people can actually get on the boat from the other side. So they are just turning the boat. So I think I've been waiting for like, 45 minutes or an hour or so waiting for the boat. It took so much time. And I've been just getting many people coming to me asking me if I want to get on a private boat. Private boats are a bit expensive, and I don't want to do that actually. I'm not here for like the normal sightseeing as what tourists do. I just want to get on a public boat and just get a feeling of the whole thing, like what other locals do here. Okay, so this boat is only for like 20 to 30 minutes, and the public ones is like 500 or 800 or 1,000. Just depending on the number of people, and also depending on the number of hours that you want to be on the backwaters. Alright, okay, let's try to get a window seat so that I can be able to like make videos for you. Right, seems like people are on the rush to find some window seats. Yeah, I don't know which place. Let me just sit here. Okay, so I ended up changing a seat so that I can be able to like see everything. And now I'm on a window seat. I did an open window. The other one that I was sitting wasn't that clear, and I know I wouldn't be able to like see everything. So I'm now sitting on an open window seat so that I will be able to see everything. Already left. We're now on our way. I don't know where we are going. I just got onto a boat and I don't know where I'm going, but from what I can see in front of me, I think we're going into the main lake. I don't know, but so far from what I'm seeing, it's so beautiful. It's something that you need to do when you come here. Wow. I'm even seeing those typical houseboats that you see on YouTube anyway. Wow, it's so nice. Wow. So most of the times when people come here, they stay, especially tourists, when they come they stay in houseboats, which costs almost like 5,000 to 10,000 per night. Just staying on the houseboat itself and nothing more, but it will be including food if I am not mistaken. But generally, if you are a local, people decide to like take local, these local boats. They are way more cheaper than staying on a houseboat. The houseboat should be more expensive than this. So for me, I'm taking a local boat, which is just for 12. I've just been told like that it's just for 12 rupees. I didn't know that. Just for 12 rupees, just to go on every side, seeing every place. Just for 12 rupees, which is something incredible, and it's super cheap. Now we are in like, I think it's like a big lake or something, and there are many houseboats in front of us, and not in front of us, where we are. Okay, there are many houseboats, and there are like reeds inside the water. Not reeds, I don't know. These are the plants inside the water, and it's amazing. It's so amazing how everything looks. It's just so wonderful. You have to come and see this place. So the camera can't do any justice when it comes to these things. Wow, so beautiful. Okay guys, so it's almost 9:06, and we are almost done with this Backwaters journey, and then I go to the beach. But right now I just want you to witness one of the most iconic things here in Alleppey, and it happens at a certain time. Just check this out. So you see these guys, they do a race. It's sort of they call it, I think it's a banana boat, and each and every year, or I don't know, there is a season or what, but they do a race. They'll be racing, and a lot of people stand on these sides, on these edges, trying to watch this event actually. So it's actually a big thing here in Alleppey, and there's a time when you can actually see it. But as for now, I don't think the time is coming. But the people are now practicing. That's what I heard. Yeah. So I'm almost done, and then I think this is it for for this Backwaters trip. I have spent almost like, I think 3 hours actually. Yeah, I spent 3 hours in these Backwaters, and I don't think it's worth it to like spend 3 hours. 3 hours is a bit too much. It becomes a scam. You have to stay like for like I think an hour and a half or 2 hours is enough. 3 hours maybe. Maybe if you are staying on a houseboat, but if you are not staying on a houseboat, then 3 hours becomes too much. 3 hours becomes too much. So let's wait until we go to the Allepey Beach. Okay guys, so after spending that amazing time on that boat in those backwaters, it's now time for us to experience the Allepey Beach. So right now I'm now at the Allepey Beach, and I'm just walking around just to see how everything looks, you know, just to see how it looks like, because it is if you don't know, Allepey Beach is the most famous thing about Allepey Beach is it's sunset. People just come here to like see the sunset, you know. Okay, I'm actually noticing that there are many people, but not as many as I thought they might be, but there are many people actually. And it's so peaceful, it doesn't have that noise. I've been to Goa and I've heard so much noise. There will be so much noise at the beach, but here there's not much noise, man. People are just chilled, relaxed, just enjoying the water, just enjoying the beach, you know. Yeah. So look at how big, how vast the expanse of this sand. You know, I've noticed one thing. It's just so chilled. People are just relaxed. They're just enjoying, just seeing the sea itself. Yeah.
And that wraps up our incredible journey through the enchanting lands of Kerala. This marks the end of our Kerala adventure, a tapestry woven with vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable moments. As we close this chapter, it's a reminder of life's boundless beauty, something I'm profoundly grateful to God for. Our travels are a testament to the wonders awaiting us, and I can't wait to share my next adventure with you as I backpack up the mesmerizing mountains of Himachal. Until then, remember to embrace every step of your journey, and I'll see you in the next video. And now, we can officially say, Kerala is Mark Explored. Until the next one, peace.